My name is Santiago Torres Arias, and I am an assistant professor of ECE at Purdue University. The biggest concern I see with the new trends in cybercrime is that it's moving from, say, loss of data or economic impact to something that has higher stakes. We saw with the 2016 election that there's a nation state or democracy implying consequences to cybercrime. We saw with the Colonial Pipeline that we lose access to physical resources. And this is really a worrying trend because it's starting to affect our everyday lives in ways that are probably physically harmful. The biggest obstacles are surprisingly not as technical as they used to be. There's a lot of technology out there that can help us protect ourselves from ransomware or other types of compromises. What we're seeing more and more is that there is not efficient pipelines for these new technological advancements into the software producers or the software service providers. This is also why you're also seeing industries that are not widely known for using software being affected, say hospitals being hit by ransomware, is because they are relying more on software, but there's no good pipelines for them to start introducing security mechanisms in an effective way. I was very glad to see the federal government set forth an executive order describing sweeping changes to the way that we're producing and consuming software overall. In there's expectations to say, for example, software producers will have to generate software bills of materials in the same way that you would expect in physical goods, say like IKEA furniture. And this is something that can allow us to assess the quality of software, and that can also allow the federal government itself later that the NIST starts doing the same regulatory processes that the FDA does for food and drugs. So the software quality overall increases, and also people that are consuming software can also manage their expectations and their security processes.